Hello and thank you for your purchase. Those compositions are numbered, so we start from number 1, double click to open. It's what the first side of the box has on. It's a message, so if you want you can double click and edit it. That's it. So here you can select another color if you want it colored or whatever you like. Okay. Then now if we go to number 4 and see it, there it is on the box. So number 2 is here, the second side is here, so number 2 message. It's a Merry Christmas, or you can switch it off, double click again and type text, Happy Holidays or whatever. Just keep it into these limits. You can switch it off if you don't want it, because the second message is going very fast. It doesn't stay long. So here add your quickest text. Okay, you can add a snowflake with this eye icon. Let's go and see it here. Here it is. Or switch off this and open those fragile symbols, like you are sending a box with something fragile and valuable. Again, you can create the color. So in this one, select it and hit F3 and choose another color. Again, maybe this one. Okay, and the third side has our logo. It's number 3. So replace your logo, switch this one off, import your own one. Suppose it's this one, S to scale. Okay, again keep it inside these barriers, somewhere there. I think it's good. You can make it smaller or whatever. Let's see. So here it is. Or you can switch this off and add another one. Suppose it's this one. You can make it big, and if you don't want the address, you can switch it off, or keep it and double click to edit it. Okay, I switch it off, so I use all my space for the logo. So there it is. You can now go to step number 4, double click to open. It's this one. It's open, and as you see, there is a first layer called controls. Select it, hit F3, and this panel opens. So here you can select the color of this stickman. Okay, so maybe you want it red, I don't know, or white. Don't use a completely white, so the texture can be seen somewhere there. Sub-white, and I don't know, maybe depends on your logo, what is the color of your logo to match it. Okay, so there it is. And at the start, as you see, it opens with this circle. If you don't want it, it can start without it. Just click here. Okay, now we are ready to render our final composition. So you have 4 options ready. 4K resolution if you want to display it on big screen. Full HD, that's pretty standard. Smaller HD, and even smaller if you want to send it via email or whatever, or you want to upload it to web to have it very small in resolution. Okay, so suppose we want the full HD version. Double click open, drag and drop inside here your music. If you want the same music as in the preview, purchase it and drop it here. Already here we have the sound effects. So now you are ready to render a composition. Add it to the render queue or to media encoder queue if you want H.264 output. Here we are. Select your output, click it, and here you use your bitrate. That's good for YouTube or whatever, but if you want more bigger numbers better quality. And here is the estimated file size. That will be 35 megabytes. I think it's good. Export audio, I have audio, so yes. And here where we save it and click to render it. If you have more questions or need more help on this file, do contact me through my profile page. Happy holidays and thank you for your purchase. Bye.